Hello and welcome to our 37 in 1 sensor kit series. Today we are discussing about our 15th sensor, that is the touch sensor. The metal touch sensor module features Darlington NPN transistor, the signal of which is controlled by a circuit part of which integrated type LM393 inside, which there are two comparators. When you touch the bar wire bent over the transistor, which is represented by the base of the transistor, the 50 Hz signal around us in a modern home or office is injected into a high gain amplifier. The output of this amplifier is connected to the comparator. The AC signal is then converted to the square wave gain sensitivity adjustment by adjusting VR1 trimmer appropriately. If you look closely at the LED, you will see a slight flicker. This is due to the output that is represented by a square wave of 50 Hz instead of constant value. Now these are some features of the sensor. It has a power supply 3.3 volt or 5.5 volt. Its sensitivity is adjustable. It has an analog and digital output. Outputs a signal. If the metal peak of the sensor was touched, you can adjust the sensitivity of the sensor with the controller. Having a digital output, at the moment of the contact detected, a signal will be outputted, and the analog output direct measuring value of the sensor unit. In this, the LED 1 shows that the sensor is supplied with voltage, and the LED 2 is showing that the sensor detect a magnetic field. The sensor has main component on its circuit board. First, the sensor unit at the front of the module, which measures the area physically and send an analog signal to the second unit, the amplifier. The amplifier amplifies the signal according to the resistance value of the potentiometer and send the signal to the analog output of the module. The third component is a comparator, which switches the digital output and the LED if the signal falls under a specific value. You can control the sensitivity by adjusting the potentiometer. Here please note the signal will be inverted. That means that if you measure a high value, it is shown as a low voltage value at the analog output. The sensor does not show absolute value. It is a relative measurements. You define an extreme value to a given normal environment situation and a signal will be sent if the measurement exceeds the extreme value.